track day at Capital Raceway. Let's get it going, baby. We got the C8 here today. This trailer is phenomenal. The diesel's pulling it like it's nothing.
Beautiful.
So what happened?
JJ got me, man. I don't know how he got me, but it won't happen again. I guarantee you that.
Listen, I held out on the first run. I was just waiting for him to line up to me on the second one. That's all.
The guy got you, bro. The guy got you, bro.
That's all right.
You let that guy beat you in that punk car,
This
man.
is rear-wheel drive, and that's all-wheel drive. How did you let me beat you?
Because you had something set up in there.
How did I have nothing set up?
And you've been racing longer than me, bro.
I never
smoked the
never
first
raced
guy.
quarter mile in my life.
Now you let some guy in a green pansy car beat you.
Bro,
I don't
hold on.
understand.
And I won that race with traction control on.
You know what?
That
It's
was
all right.
epic. That was epic. That was
That
great.
was. So we're gonna go again.
People in
We're
this.
gonna try this again for a second.
Yo, we gotta switch it up. We gotta switch it up. Let me get in the Hellcat.
What? What?
What's going on, guys? Here today at Capitol Raceway out in Maryland. Got our Corvette C8 here. This was my first time on a quarter-mile drag strip. Had a bunch of fun today. This car is definitely something that GM created for the quarter mile. It has multiple different modes that all perform much differently than the other. The performance-wise today, I think, was great. I'm definitely looking forward to the modifications we're gonna do that are gonna make it that much better the next time we bring it out. Thanks to Capitol Raceway for the great day here, and Schwick Wheels as well.
What's going on with this thing? What are you guys doing?
Well, listen. All right, so we ended up ordering a Pro Charger from manufacturer Pro Charger. And we're gonna be pushing probably around 750 wheel horsepower on pump gas, and then we're looking at a little over 8 and change on E85. Got a new set of wheels coming in for this thing. We have a full aero kit in carbon fiber. In addition to that, we also have a high race wing spoiler. This thing up, we're gonna get it inside the trailer, and then we'll make sure this diesel's ready to pull this bad boy home.
Sweet.